It's probably fair enough. It's not that heavy like you think. You got this barcode, the CAT scan, $96. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm kind of going all over the place. Let's finish this and then walk ourselves back. They got this one right here for $149. This is the Pyro. That one's pretty tight. 135. Pure power 137. And the alien ones right there, the Green Reaper, 98. It's not too bad actually. Not too bad. Excalibur's Platinum, 104. What the fuck? That's hella cheap. They're all gone. Excalibur's, $99. That's not too bad. All blue tags now, 50% off. These are all 500 grams, I believe. Yeah. This one looks pretty tight. This one has some good weight. If I'm not showing the prices, I'm sorry. I'm just kind of in the zone, trying to multitask, like enjoying the vibes, enjoying my time here. I don't look at fireworks all the time like this, and then just doing a video and try to watch out without hitting into anybody. Oh, they got this one right here by Cutting Edge. Gee, that was pretty tight. 102. Wait, is it that one? No, I don't know how much that one is. Oh, 102. Yeah. Some Noabs. Look at this big ass one. It's probably a fountain, but like I think it's a cake actually. 100. Look at his eyeball, the ojos. 101. That's some cool shit. This store is hella full. They got everything stocked up before the 4th. Alright, let's finish up these ball shows. This is a Green Reapers. 132. This might be a case, I think. DIYs. How much are these? Are pretty tight. These are like a couple of breaks, like probably 5. Looks like it. Something like that. These are cool. Look at the artwork. What the hell? 12 Super Magnum shells. This is pretty tight. I like that green. $49. Fair enough. What is it? Like a 12 pack? Oh yeah, 12. They got the other ones too by World Class. $52. There's some other ones. Cracking Naturally shells. There's tight. $21. And you got the single ones too. Damn. Pretty nice. That shit's pretty big. They got Alien, 106, 127, 127. These are fits. Oh shit! I keep dropping these. $15 for the singles. Red Crackling Flower. This one sounds pretty nice. Red Star to Crackling. And they got this one, the AR-15, 174. Pretty nice. They got these ones everybody apparently likes for 187. And then we'll wait till all these people walk by, but they have all the novelties right here. Oh, they got this one right here too by World Class. 40 or $54. The Ladybugs, $7. Damn, pretty good. They got some parachutes here. Day parachute. I think it's these ones. $20. Yeah, and then these ones are $38. Damn, Los Angeles. She. Then we got some UFOs for $4 for a whole box. The tag drones. $10. This broken ass cake, like a no-wrap cake. Then we got some stuff on top. No smoking. Need some other ones too that fly up. These are $10. I don't know if that's worth it. A lot of cool fun stuff. Alright, let's hit it in the other aisle. By Brothers. 88 shells. That shit's pretty big. That shit's taller than me. I'm like this tall. There's some more 500 grams, I believe. This one, 76. How much is this one? Fiber Opt, 76. Here's some other ones. This is an Eagle again, cause America. They got the dog. Not in the head, or not in the yard. They got the blue stripe for the cops. They got the mafia gangsters over there. How much was that one? 77? No. Wise guys. 77. Oh yeah, same price as this one. As you guys can see too, like look at the walls, bro. These fools are stacked. Either they just have hella inventory, or people ain't even really buying shit from Area 51. Because in my opinion, some of the prices are fairly decent. It just depends what you're trying to get. Or there's something at Red App. What the fuck at Area 51? There's the Speed Trap 83. I always see this cake. Is that even heavy? Let me see. I have felt heavier 200 gram cakes. It is what it is. What the f... You guys find anything? What'd you guys find? Nothing? Huh?
Dynamite.
Oh my god. You're not gonna buy nothing? What?
Ramen bowl.
A what?
A ramen bowl.
Ramen bowl? That's food. This one's a nice artwork. $63. The crossbow. The jaws. $62. That one's pretty nice. Cutting edge. Damn. The yin yang. 87? That's not too bad. This cat's actually pretty good. My hands are all sweaty too. Oh, look at this one. The Viper. How much is that one? 85. Oh, they even got the Guerrilla Warfare. $88. I kind of like that yin yang. My volunteers are just watching. Excuse me. Thank you. This is the one someone was telling me about. Yeah. How much is that Godzilla one? What the hell is it at? I don't know where they're at. It's a sick ass artwork though. Oh, look at, they got the chickens.
This is the ramen that I'm getting.
Oh, for us, that's a fountain. Oh, cherries. That's like a bowl of cherries. Oh, look at this, a little shit. She. When you take a shit, just put it in a Russian, it'll fucking sparkle and smell good. Sparkle the shit away. Black snake. What'd you call me? Goofy ass. Look at this one right here. They got the giraffe. Look at. That's pretty cool. $13 though? I don't know about that. I'll pay $6 for one. Wait, never mind. That's technically is two. Oh, look at this one. That lindo. What the hell? That's pretty tight. I do like the color purple though. For $11, that's not too bad, y'all. What is this? Like a dolphin. 14. World's class. World's famous papa. $49. These are the fountains right here. Like a different series. Like it's like stairs. They're pretty nice. This is actually pretty heavy. Of course, it's by Brothers and heavyweight, which is correct. Probably a banger. They got all the homeless people from San Fran and LA in the fucking picture. That's pretty nice. This one's pretty nice too. This one got some good weight to it for a fountain. There's hella people here too. This one's cool too for little niños, $31. I like the other one I showed y'all in the beginning. That one's better. But this is like for fountains, so this is cool too. The Reaper. This is pretty tight. Nice little weight. The Drama Queen for all the crybabies out there. It's pretty tight. I like that one, the artwork. $28. 108. I don't know about that for a fountain sometimes. This one's pretty tight. This one's like a fan. Or like slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 like slices. It's pretty tight. How much is that one? 59? 60? Oh shit, look at this one. Little ninja boy. 38. Then they got these for the Pyros that passed away or just loved ones. These are cool. I fuck with these. I like the one with the alien. It's like green with the alien head. Oh, that one scares the hell out of people, I'm sure of. They got these little spinners with the nail. Put it on your hand and just let it rip. You probably put 2 of them, then you'll probably fly away like Iron Man. $18. They got some snakes right here. No mamas. I thought it said 187 for one. What the fuck? I don't know. Oh, these are $1. $1.99. Some more small shit. $16. They got some sick ass smoke. $7.49. Some ground blooms. These are tight. $19.99. Wait, what? Oh, that's for a case. $9.99. These are tight. But that by the Reaper brand. This is kind of heavy. They got the other ones too right here. Oh, these are the crackling ones. That's what's up. And then here's the ground blooms. They got the froggies. You watching me? They got the fire extinguisher. How much is this? You can use this. They got the speed trap. I like that name. Hey, this shit got some weight. $16, and then they got the sick ass skulls. Look at his mouth. He's all smoking a fat ass blunt. Fool looks like my grandpa. Crazy. The big ass balls. First time I seen these, I didn't even know they were fountains. That was like my first time into the Pyro game, and I thought they were like some fat ass cocoa shells or something. And they got the individual fountains right here too. $8. Or some bugs. Bug Life Pyro Edition. They got the frogs right here. How much are the frogs? These are pretty tight. I never lit one. I always pass on these, but these have some weight. That's pretty cool. And then they got the small ones right here too, as y'all can see. I'm the frog. I'm gonna eat you. No, I'm Billy D. Stop it. That's pretty tight. Some ice cream. Taste the rainbow. Ugh. I just noticed I'm not really showing the prices as I probably should. I'm just, like I said, I'm just enjoying the vibes and my time being here. Tired of soaking all the fireworks I see and touch and smell. Black powder. So if I don't show the price as much in the video, I'm sorry, but like, comment, subscribe if you guys like what you see. And yeah, just enjoy the video. Kick back, drink a beer or a Red Bull if you're like underage, or water, I guess, to stay hydrated. Yeah, just enjoying my time here in the store and soaking in everything I can just to enjoy life, I guess. before I go back to real life and work all day. So, really happy to be here. Yeah, let's keep going to finish it off. Almost done. These are pretty cool. I'm assuming these are confetti fountains. And I got some of these. Some tanks. These are $9.99. What? $9.99. I can't be. I don't even know how to speak sometimes. You got some motorcycles. $8.49. I'll just say $9. They're pretty nice. So pistolas. $2.99. That's pretty tight for some kids stuff. I think this is like a sparkler suppressors. Damn, look at this big ass sparkler, bro. 36 inches. I think that's longer than my something. Oh, some hearts. These are cute. If you guys got Pyro girlfriends. And like I said, the store is packed. I don't know if anybody wants to be on camera, but yeah, the store is hella packed. But yeah, here's some of the aisles really quick. Some of the stuff. Damn, this one looks pretty tight. Oh shit, this motherfucker heavy. How much is this one? $50? What the fuck? Hey, this one's a steal right there. I think for the weight, that one's pretty heavy. I do not feel like no 500 gram cake. Oh, here. You guys already know. $59 hairs. It's not too bad. These are classic. Hella shit. These fools got hella shit. I like this one a lot, like I said. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna call it. I'll see you guys soon. Shee!